Hallelujah.
Now I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I walked this floor, you know. I used to leave alone before I knew you. And I've seen your flag on the marble arch. And love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, there's a time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show that to me, do you? Remember when I moved in you, and the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there is God above, but all I ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not somebody you see in the light, it's a cold and it's a